I'm guessing they're gonna go for something over here.
Dingy Lou, the little tree to your left, do you think that's strong enough?
This one?
That one?
I don't think
No.
so.
Okay.
I'm thinking over there, Tony.
What about this tree, the next tree across? Did you see where I'm pointing?
Are you talking about the arbutus?
Yes, that's what we're thinking over there in that area.
It's a little higher, but I think it'll work still.
Yep, that looks good.
Okay, I'll aim for that because that'll give us a break between the other boats.
Oh, okay.
Tell him we're 36 feet sitting right here.
So we've currently got 36 feet here. 33 feet. We've got 26 feet here.
21.
20. Looks like there might be a bit of a rock here. 14.
Yeah. So we currently have a 9-foot tide.
Yeah, so there's 14 feet right here, so I think there's a rock right here.
There's a left right
We have a Southern Belle in the middle, and then Terraloo on Southern Belle's port side.
Yeah, I think we'll find another spot because we can't get a V in our stern lines here. We've only got one point on the rock, on the land to tie to.
here. Tell him I'm going to try it. Look
And
on
let's
the
have a look on the other side of those sailboats.
Yeah.
Open it on the way in. I don't know if it's...
Yeah, we'll check the other side of the sailboats.
Katana.
Maybe on that little point that comes out.
Okay.
Yep, on our way. So we've got 49 feet here.
A couple of good trees. There's a good tree right in front of us here.
There are a few trees to choose from.
Yeah.
Can you reach those?
It looks like there's some trees we can get to here. And the shallowest we've seen is 44 feet of water.
That's okay. A lot of change, but we're good.
straight out behind us as well.
Okay.
And then we'll just make sure they don't go in the motor. That's it. Yeah, just hold on to it like that. Okay. Go in the water. Yep.
Right there at those rocks.
Okay.
Hold on to those.
And then neutral is
Okay, this is good.
fast reverse.
This is
So
good.
slow down. Okay. Careful. So see if you could
Would you like me to
try to tie the boat off right there somehow.
Do you want me to hold on to the stern line?
Sure.
Stop. Who stopped?
That's good. Just, yeah, there you go. Just, there you go. Perfect.
That works.
Perfect. That's it. I won't go anywhere.
Okay.
Perfect.
Have these two.
So do you know what to do with it once you get
No,
there?
go with it, please.
Go. You want me to go with it? Okay.
Yeah. Don't-
Good.
Don't think they need to pull out.
No. Okay. So you take the messenger line off. You take your line and put it around the tree. Whoop. And then you reconnect the messenger line to your stern line somehow. Good. There we go. And then go, Edith. And then you can pull the messenger line back. And then the messenger line will pull the stern line back, and it prevents you having to schlep the whole line
Wow.
back. Oh, sorry. Hold on one sec. Just gonna uncross it.
Oh, I think the camera might have died.
If it turns off, it's still filming, as long as the little light blinks.
Yes.
It's filming. Just redoing it so it's not crossed over. Okay, go! And then the person here on shore can help make sure the line doesn't get snagged around the tree.
Okay.
Can you hang on to this?
Okay, I'll swap you now. If you click the video. What are you doing?
I'm untwisting this.